Jaylen Marcellus Brown was born on October 24, 1996, in Marietta, Georgia. Raised in a household where education and discipline were emphasized, Jaylen quickly stood out, not only for his athletic prowess, but for his intellectual curiosity and social awareness. His mother, Michelle Brown, worked as a professor of marketing and was instrumental in shaping Jaylen's thoughtful approach to life. His father, Marcellus Brown, was a professional boxer who competed at a high level. Jaylen inherited not only athletic talent, but also a relentless work ethic from his father. He often credits his family with instilling in him the values that continue to guide his career, both on and off the court. Jaylen attended Joseph Wheeler High School in Marietta, where he excelled academically and athletically. His combination of size, strength, and basketball IQ made him a standout among his peers. His performances on the court earned him national attention, and he was considered one of the top high school players in the country. While many top prospects flocked to powerhouse basketball programs, Jaylen made the unconventional decision to attend the University of California, Berkeley. This decision spoke volumes about his priorities. He was drawn to Berkeley's academic reputation and its culture of political activism and intellectual engagement. At Cal, Jaylen studied subjects like philosophy and took a keen interest in social justice, regularly participating in discussions that went beyond basketball. On the court, Jaylen made an immediate impact. In his lone season at Cal, he averaged 14.6 points, 5.4 rebounds, and 1.7 assists per game. He led the Golden Bears to the NCAA tournament and earned multiple honors, including Pac-12 Freshman of the Year and First Team All-Pac-12. Scouts took notice not just of his physical tools, but of his maturity and leadership. After one season at Cal, Jaylen declared for the 2016 NBA Draft. It was a bold decision, but one he approached with his usual thoughtfulness. Notably, he chose to represent himself during the pre-draft process, opting not to hire a traditional agent. This decision, rare for a prospect of his caliber, reflected his deep sense of independence and trust in his own judgment. Jaylen was selected by the Boston Celtics with the 3rd overall pick in the 2016 NBA Draft. His arrival in Boston marked the beginning of a new chapter for both player and franchise.